Today I would like to talk about this Nirguni bhajan called Sunya Ghar Shahar, Shahar Ghar Basti by Sant Shri Gorakshanath. Gorakshanath is the pioneer of Nath Yoga lineage in India and outside India. Shunya Ghar Shahar means our body is like a fort and it has 9 doors, 9 darwaja और 10वें दरवाजे the 10th door is the zeroness or the void or the nothingness. So we have to reach to the nothingness to realize Brahman or our true self. So this bhajan sings the glory of true self or the soul which resides in each one of us. And it talks about the path, the spinal path to reach to the Brahman or the 10th door Brahmarandra. So it elaborately explains that how one can do the sadhana and reach there.
शून्यगढ़ शहर शून्यगढ़ शहर शून्यगढ़ शहर शहर घर बस्ती शून्यगढ़ शहर शून्यगढ़ शहर शहर घर बस्ती बस्ती शून्यगढ़ शहर शून्यगढ़ शहर शहर घर बस्ती कौन सूता कौन जागे है कौन सूता कौन जागे है लाल हम लालन के लाल हम लालन के तान सोता गम जागे शून्यगढ़ शहर शून्यगढ़ शहर